legs crossed, or legs extended if that feels more comfortable. Taking a moment here to feel your sitting bones against the ground beneath you. And now from here, begin to lengthen up through your spine, rising through your crown, gently creating space between each vertebrae. Rest one hand lightly on the mat beside you, and then on your next inhale, reaching up, and then as you exhale, begin to arc gently over the side. Both sitting bones grounded towards the earth as much as possible. There's a sense of reaching up and over rather than dipping into that waist. Allowing your supporting arm to stay soft, bringing awareness to the breath. On your next exhale, just allow a softening through the body. Release. On your next inhale, reaching the opposite arm up and overhead toward the sky. As you exhale, move into that side bend, keeping the top shoulder rolled open, staying smooth and steady with the breath. Feeling the side body lengthen from the outer hip through the waist, ribs and to the fingertips. And then release and come back to Sukhasana.